The nominees are
Ruth Bradley, Grabbers.
Welcome party. But you're leaving in a fortnight.
It's just a goodbye party, whatever.
You only just got here.
What's our problem?
What we mean to say is that...
Hey, bucko! Where are you going? This party's for your benefit. And all you're going to be there to is the law.
Anne-Marie Duff, Sanctuary.
I cry at the strangest moments. My favourite is the queue in the supermarket. There's something about the contents of other people's trolleys that just gets me going.
Roisin Murphy, What Richard Did.
Did you tell them? Well, what did you say?
Jesus.
I just need to know what you said, Laura.
I lied, okay? Said I left for Connor. I went home with you and they were fighting.
Shauna Kerslake, Dollhouse.
And the winner is Ruth Bradley.